Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, it's afternoon right now. More like evening. What time do you guys call afternoon, and what time do you guys call evening? You guys see that? I just got a princess just thrown in my face. It is the first I'm seeing my kids from morning. She's coming to see you guys. Look at her, look at her, look at her coming, look at her, look at her coming. Look at her, look at her coming. Say hello to Faves. Come, Ty, come, I'll help you. It's the first time seeing my kids from morning. That's because I had an early appointment out, so I had to leave them with Papa to get them ready for school this morning. So I prepared everything, and Papa took care of the girl and the hairstyle and the school drop off and everything. And of course Mama was happy and pleased. No standing. So yeah, you guys hear that I'm a bit stuffy? Mama said no standing. I'm a bit stuffy. I'm trying to get over this sneezing that I caught from my kids, but I'm taking the
candy, please.
Yes, you can have candy. Yeah, so I'm just all over the place right now talking to you guys, but hopefully you guys are doing well and having a good day. You guys will be getting a short evening vlog because I'm just getting to pick up the camera and stuff like that. So you guys are just seeing everybody. Tyler, come say hello to the Faves. You take off the other foot of the shoes. You take off the other foot of the shoes.
Yes.
You lose the lace.
Yes.
Go around here and come say hello to Faves.
I can sit on the counter.
Yes.
Hello.
You look so cute.
Thank you.
This Tyler first start with this coughing and sneezing. How was this morning getting ready? You got yourself ready properly? Yeah.
It was hard.
Why was it hard?
Because normally you prepare the crepe for me, but Papa.
No, don't do that.
Papa let me do my crepe and
yeah, but you know how to do your crepe.
I take 5 minutes. I take 10 minutes to open the Nutella thing.
Okay, I know it's hard for you to open the Nutella thing. So why you didn't bring the Nutella thing to him?
Because he was in the bath showering.
Yeah, so you could still bring it to him in the bath.
And he had say go put on your clothes.
Okay, so you put on your clothes before you eat?
Yes.
But that's okay. At least you did something else while you were waiting on him. So next time, wherever Papa is, it's okay to carry the Nutella to him. Just let him know that you're coming to let him open the Nutella for you.
Okay.
You see, you have to be big boy when Mama is not around. You have to find ways of doing the things, right?
So when I'm with you, you're still going to do the girl for me?
Not all the time. You have to learn to do some of the things on your own. I said don't do that. This kitchen counter is not for that. I'm only letting you sit in here right now because you're talking to Faves real quick. Look at this one with the candy. What?
Can I have a chocolate, please?
Yes, you can have a chocolate. You lost it. I heard it. I heard it fell. You just pooped candy. How many candies did you take? Yes, Tyler, you can have a chocolate. Go and get it.
Chocolate me.
You want chocolate too?
Yes. Where they are? Chocolate. Chocolita.
They're right here. Let's see if Papa eats all of them. Sit down. It's chocolate time. And you know it's Easter time coming, and Easter time in France is a lot of candy that the kids eat. Not candy, chocolate. So let's see. More chocolate gonna come in this house. I have to go. No, don't open this. That's not chocolate. You're looking for chocolate. The chocolate's here.
No.
This what you want?
No.
No, this what you want? Sarah, that's candy. You see, that's candy cane from Christmas. Tyler, this what you want?
No.
This is candy too. You guys, you remember this? Growing up in Jamaica, this was one of my favorite things to eat when I was coming home from school. This is not chocolate, it's
What
candy.
is this? Mama, what is this?
Yes. That's a chocolate pie. It's a very popular chocolate. It's very yummy. That's TikTok. I used to love it. Okay, but if you open it, you gotta eat it.
I can have another one after that.
If you finish that, yeah. If you finish it,
Okay.
but I'm sure you won't finish it.
I will finish it.
Okay, but after if you finish this pack, I'm not giving you no more chocolate for today. I might take a bite out of your Kit Kat.
You just say that if I finish it,
Yeah, but this is a lot of chocolate. That's what I'm saying. No more chocolate for today if you finish this. It's very yummy. Here.
You can have free.
You can have all of them.
Mama, I have bubbles. Look. You just said that if I...
There's one bubbles down there. I'm not opening this one.
You just said that if I finish it, I will have another one.
But this is a lot of chocolate to eat in one day. That's why I said if you finish this, you're not going to... No, Mama want this. If you finish this, no more chocolate for today until the next day. You can't finish this whole pack and want more chocolate for today. No. Too much sweet in one day is not good for you. Stop looking at me like that.
I don't understand because you just said that if I finish it, I'll have another one.
And I changed my mind because this is a whole lot of chocolate. Oh, do you understand now? You like it?
I love it.
Kit Kat. It's a very popular in the USA and in Jamaica. Have like a little biscuit thing in the middle. Yes, you can reach it? Yeah. Go for it. Take it up. Stand on your chair. She wants bubbles. Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna play with the kids a bit, make dinner, and talk to you guys in a bit. Hey guys, dinner today, I'm doing Brussels sprouts and mushroom for veggies. This looks so good. And I have onion, sweet pepper, and other seasonings in here. And then over here, I'm doing some sweet potato. Then in here we have some roast chicken that just finished, and then over here I have some fish that I'm gonna fry. Dinner is going down. Alright you guys, here's a full rundown of everything for today. Chicken, fish finishing, Brussels sprouts, and sweet potato. Look who is home. Look who is home.
What's up, Wagwan?
What you eating?
My favorite yogurt.
Which flavor is that?
This one is kiwi. Non, on dit pas de kiwi. Ça, c'est pas bon pour la bouche.
No kiwi, Sarah. No kiwi.
I was thinking about those the big juice can have anything. Sarah?
I don't know.
Non, ça c'est pas bon pour la bouche. Ça fait mal ici.
I mean, when she was in Mexico, she never had no green juice and it didn't come back.
Oui.
Yes, Sarah. You can't have kiwi. Kiwi will make your mouth hurt. Okay? No kiwi for Sarah.
Kiwi you can talk about?
Hers.
Oh, yes.
Come you two. Let's go. Let's go to bed.
No!
Stop jumping in the car. Let's go to bed. Come, chop chop, run along.
C'est propre?
Oui, c'est propre. You want me to pick you up? Okay. Wait. Go. You're gonna make me fall. Oh my days.
C'est what? I'm Teletubbies! Yeah, you know we'll have to say that, right?
Exactly.
I was hesitating with the candy, with support. It's a support in.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Support is the medicine that you put in the bam bam.
Medicine that you put in your ass?
Yeah.
How does that compare to Maudi?
Yeah, you look like medicine that you put in your ass. You look like a dickhead. No?
When you hear what he say? I look like a medicine that I put in the ass, and he say I look like a penis head. You hear how rude my husband is? The things he's compared his wife to, the disrespect. Oh my God. Y'all pray for me. Pray for me, yeah?
I love you.
Can't believe what he just said.
Yeah,
Can't believe what you just said.
Yeah,
and I'm not editing. I'm not editing. I'm not editing none of it out. I'm leaving it right there for them to see how disrespectful you are to your wife. You're rude. Anyway, you guys, I had a busy day. We all had busy days. Had to go out early this morning on a mission. So babe run things at home for me, drop the kids off to school nicely, and yeah, that's what happened today. Didn't have much time to film any much activity since I got back home, but you guys here, I'm stuffing up because it's night time. I'm going to take some medicine, edit this vlog for you guys to get it right now while you're watching, and then I'm gonna go get some rest. Go see my eyes. I have to put my glasses on ever since I got home because my eyes burning me. Anyway, what do you have to say for yourself, sir?
My defense?
What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm getting sick. You make me sick. I feel it coming.
Well, if I'm blowing in your face at night, you know, must expect that you're gonna get sick once we get sick. Huh? You don't expect that you're going to get sick.
She shared that.
You're right up under my nose and
I get COVID. I give COVID to nobody. You, when you get COVID, you give it to me.
So when you get it, you keep it to yourself, and when I get it, I give it to you. You know why? Because I'm loving and I'm sharing. I love to give. I give with all my heart. You just mean. You want everything all to yourself.
I keep it for me. I protect myself and I say.
No, I love to share my love.
Okay.
So you have to get everything that I have.
Okay.
I give it with love, honey. Don't worry.
Okay.
Why? I just hope this get better now because my post at work, I can't have this kind of voice, honey child. Run with the customers.
Anyway, I'm tired too, so gotta little things to do to finish the day, and just gonna relax. And tomorrow is another long day.
Were you working tomorrow in the city?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, you guys, tomorrow is gonna be a long day. A long day for everybody. A long day. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to FamBam. Catch and keep up. And of course, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm definitely taking you along my day tomorrow. So be sure to come back tomorrow. You know, if you make that finger the flick and catch me, it'll go hot in and I'm going to slap you with the camera if that do big. Take your finger out of my bottom. What is wrong with you? You haven't broke your big finger again? I hit this or the other one? Oh, I hit this. It's the right hand. No, it was the left hand. It was the left hand. It was the left hand, no?
What did you say earlier? You love your husband. You don't even know which hand I break.
It's the left hand. It was the left hand. Because you were giving too much trouble. If it was the right hand, you would be able to give so much trouble. It was the right hand or the left hand. I know how to find out. Give me your fingers. Let me see. Give me the next hand. Let me see if I can figure. Go like this. Go like this though. Let me tell you which hand it is.
If I show you, you will know.
Exactly. Because
except if I do that in both, I can do more.
No, come down completely.
I can do more.
No. Do that again.
I can't believe you don't know which hand I break. I can't believe that.
Hold on, let me see.
I can't believe that.
Let me see which
No,
hand.
no, you should have known.
Okay. I'm going to know it's the right hand. You know why it's the right hand?
Right.
Because you couldn't change the gear stick properly in the car.
That's smart. That's smart thinking.
And you had to use your left hand to help you. So it's this one.
It is the right hand.
It was the right hand. Anyway, you guys, I think it's time for us to sign down.
It's time for her to go to bed.
Anyway, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to this video, bam. And keep up. I will see you guys
Tomorrow.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.